Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. Welcome to the channel. Kind reminder for you, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, you are missing out. You need to subscribe right now to stay updated with every single piece of content that I create and upload for you on a daily basis. In the name of getting for yourself longevity, optimal health, and anti-aging. I gather here in this channel expertise of 15 years of experience of being curious, study, researching, traveling the world all the way to Nepal, India, studying homeopathy, Ayurveda, and holistic way of living for 15 years, trying, getting errors, getting again trials, and getting the solution how to live holistic way of living to heal yourself. In today's video, I want to share with you the superpower of walnuts. Walnuts, it's a really an amazing nut, and I have a series about nuts and seeds that are beneficial for your health, and especially when you take them on a regular basis, you get the micro elements and nutrients from them to maximize the support for your health, to get enough of micro elements, nutrients, nature, not from the bottle of supplements, but from the real food. So let's start with the health and beauty benefits of eating walnuts on a regular basis. First of all, I would like to share the health benefits, and of course the first is the most obvious, is the brain benefit. For your brain health, walnuts is essential. I think that most of us, does not matter in which country we've been raised, if we go to school, there's always would be parallel in the biology lesson, in anatomy lesson, that brain is had the same shape as walnuts. And even in any source of books, publics, and documentation, if you would study, there would be number one identity that brain and walnuts are identical, and that to maximize the brain function, you need to consume walnuts on a regular basis. Why? Because it's so rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and it supports the function of the cognitive function of our brain. And with the age, especially when we have a tendency due to lifestyle, again, poor eating habits, we may lose memory. We may have a really clumsy memory. We may not memorize things very easily. The learning gives us like a big deal. But when you consume walnuts on a regular basis, your function, your cognitive function, your memory stays as useful as you have in your 20s, for example, and you support your brain health. Number two is your heart health. Again, due to rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, it helps you and your body to reduce any sort of inflammation in your body. Hence, it supports your cardiovascular system and does not being proactive on any issue with your heart, and kind of like pausing if there may appear any issue with your heart. Again, right eating habits support your system at any part, inside and out. Number three, we have blood sugar control. Walnuts are low in glycemic index, and it supports your sugar level. It does not have a crazy sugar spikes, and hence you keep your sugar under the control. You do not have crazy insulin goes up and down. You do not have a crazy cravings for sugar, even for people who does not suffer with diabetes. But for the one who have an issue with diabetes, walnuts are really suitable option. But if you are at the healthy side, you do not have issue with diabetes, but you crave sugar a lot, and for example, you still at the younger age, remember that you need to give preference for the natural sugar, such as honey, and for the natural protein. You do not take chocolate, bars, etc. that are just processed food. You take, For example, to make a comparison, Snickers or what else, Bounty, etc. When you take separate products, when you take just sugar, when you take just nuts, for example, peanuts, walnuts, and mix it with the honey, you wouldn't be able to eat even 50 or 100 grams because it would be really fulfilling. So it would be really better and healthier option for you in name to not have an issue with diabetes and sugar control in the future. So then we have number 4 is your digestive health. Walnuts, even so they're so high in calories, they're really high in fiber that helps your digestion system to have a regular bowel movements. You see, there is all this plant-based food. When you mix them properly, I mean, you do not go crazy on a protein like beans, but when you mix it properly, you do not have issue with constipation, and that's hence you support your digestive system and you heal your gut health. Hence you have a strong immune system because 80% of our immune system is in our digestion system. Then we have number 5, it's weight management. You will think like, wow, really weight management helps with the walnuts? Yes, I know that nuts are really high in calories. You cannot eat them by like crazy amount of grams. Again, the best measurement cup is your plum size. Whatever the size of your plum, this is your dose for a day. I mean, basically, better you mix with other nuts and seeds. As a snack, as a dressing, there is a lot of recipes you can do from nuts, particularly from walnuts. But when you eat walnut as a snack, even if you eat it with banana or with the apple, you feel the fullness faster. Let's, for example, if we compare, if you eat just a banana or if you eat some kind of bad snack like a chocolate bar, and it's due to the high intake in the walnuts of the fiber. Again, it helps your digestion system to digest food faster and to exclude the food items from your digestion system, and it supports your weight management. Of course, you need to be aware that you do not eat a lot in the evening, you do not have heavy dinners, and hence it would support your body image and weight management in general. Then we have also as an anti-aging help. This would considerably also as a beauty benefits due to the high source of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. It's also very high level, almost same as in a fatty fish like a salmon. It helps and supports your system to have a high source of antioxidants and hence help you to relieve from a system bad radicals. Number 2, for a beauty benefit, the skin health, of course. Again, because of the rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, of a fiber and antioxidants, it helps your skin to glow, to have this beautiful glow, to have this power and fulfillment from the source of food that walnut and nuts gives you as a fats, healthy fats. It's have the special elastin in your skin, and hence such an issue as cellulite and stretch marks does not appear, because remember, cellulite and stretch marks does not appear because you eat a lot. It is a sign if you eat poor meals, if you do not have enough of fat, so your skin, it does not have elastin enough. When you have a proper combination of the food in your day, it does not happen. Then of course the hair health, due to high level of biotin in the walnuts, it supports your hair growth. I just upload to the channel another video about biotin shampoo and supplements. So here as a vegan supplement, and it's not supplement, it's your natural food, walnuts you have on a regular basis, and you would be sure that it would support your hair growth and hair health. It would be shining, it would be strong, and it would be really thick. And of course, as a continuous effect for your skin and hair, the nail health would also grow beautiful, healthy nails without any infection, inflammation, because of the high level of omega-3 fatty acids and of biotin. And in general, as a high source of fiber, as a high source of omega-3 fatty acids, as a high source of protein, as a high source of antioxidants, it helps your system to stay healthy and to stay with a good source again of these micro elements in combination with your food. How to have it? You can have it just as a nuts, as your snack. You can put in your oats, you can put in your green smoothie, which would be super good. You will have this nutty flavor, and again, it would keep you fuller for longer. You can put in a dressing for your salad, you can put it in a sauce, or you can just sprinkle on top of your salad. It's also great replacement for a breadcrumbs. If you like to cook your meat and fish in a breadcrumbs, try to crush it almonds or walnuts, and it will give you an amazing taste. Believe me, try it and share with me how do you like this replacement. And this is it for this video. I hope it was insightful. I hope with this videos about superpower of nuts and seeds, I push you to the side to have the seeds and nuts on a daily basis in the name to support your system with the natural intake of nuts and seeds to maximize the intake of microelements and nutrients. Put a like if you like this video, share with someone who needs to know about the walnuts benefits and why they need to have it. And if you need my support, if you need my guidance with the nutrition, with the weight management, you have an opportunity to book free consultation call with me that I offer. You can book it down below. I have links of my social media. You can type me a message. I by myself check them regularly. I reply to all of them by myself, and we can meet with you over Zoom, over the free consultation call. I will study your situation where you are right now, and I will offer you my guidance how to get the direction to become transformed and healed person. This is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.